gunfire?
Yeah. Got some snaps, actually. Are you on our radio channel, by the way?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah. You said 30.
Yeah, 38.0.
Keep parking away, the gun is facing them.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's going to be really close here on the left. Just be careful, Josh. We got some friendlies there.
Okay.
Жатва 01. Все позывные. Мы взяли. Жатва 01. Все позывные. Мы только что установили трансляционную башню на базе Таба. Конец связи.
Oh, it's a Huey, dude. Holy shit.
Alright, I'm going on foot. I'm gonna throw it on my radio real quick. Behind us in the woods, Americans to the left. In the woods,
I'm off the gun. Chopper dropped off Americans on the coast, too.
Shit, dude, I'm down, I'm knocked.
Враг атакует базу. Наган. Конец связи.
Yeah, I'm by your radio. I don't know where they're at.
Fuck, I spawned to the wrong base. They're in the woods, like basically where we came in, behind rocks.
They're also on the coast where the chopper dropped them.
So you can hear if they're in a gunfight and shit. That'd be so cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's get out here in the tree line. Let's get out here in the tree line. They're super close.
Hell yeah, boys. Let's do it. Yeah, I can hear them. They're right there.
On the stern of that tank. Hey, Leonard, are you driving up? I hear you. I'm
No.
And you're running right into me, and I'm being pursued.
Hey,
You guys,
my boy's saying that we're running right into him. He's being pursued.
Josh, I'm near you. I see you. I got a squad of Americans pursuing me.
God damn.
No VoIP.
Sorry, boys.
There's gotta be more than one here.
Stand back. Copy. He's down.
Right there.
Всем позывным. Это Жатва 01. Припасы сейчас можно запросить с базы Тулан. Конец связи. Жатва 01. Всем позывным. Мы взяли базу Наган.
This is a really bad position. I wonder if we pull back a little and let him come into the woods.
Where are you guys at from the drop? Where you originally died?
Hey, it's not too nighttime.
South, south.
What do you guys want to do? Go back and hold base?
Might have to go back and hold base.
Let's go, because they're going to start pushing, because they already have cars here, and we're just by ourselves with like us three.
You guys start heading back now. I'll watch the road for a little bit. I don't want them killing this one back. I'm with you, Cash.
Copy.
Жатва на... Вы только трансляционную башню. Это жатва 01.
They're down.
Мы под обстрелом на базе.
Might be one more.
Конец связи. Всем позывным.
Got him.
Говорит жатва 01.
Shut up the entire time, bro.
Техники на базе.
They were sitting here in these trees where Lex is. Hell yeah.
Всем позывным. Это жатва 01. Мы под обстрелом на базе. Игла. Конец связи.